G'day folks. Well, here's something I've never seen before, and something you don't see every day. This is nature's way of giving herself, or parts of herself, a good clean out. This is Lake Wollumboola, the south coast, New South Wales, in the Shoalhaven region. This recent rain event, this huge rain event we've had, and wind, floods, has opened up the bar that usually stretches from right there to across to where you can see it. And it's broken. The high tides, the flood, the lake's filled up with water. Combination of the water on one side and the tide on the other, and it's broken through. I'll tell you what, right now that's probably about the most dangerous piece of water in the world. I don't know how deep that is, or there's logs and stuff flowing out of it. Plenty of ice cream down there. And have a look at that. It's just beautiful, the things that nature does. Incredible. Just look at it. Oh, I would have loved to have been here when it broke through. That would have been something. Just going to walk up here a bit further. There was a lady I was speaking to before up on the lookout on Penguin Head. She'd never seen this before in her life, and she must have been 65. I'm not going to get too close to this edge. Chances are it's going to get undercut and fall out some more. It's getting undercut now. Only a fool would get too close. And I'm no fool. I remember when the bar at Sussex Inlet broke through in 2008. When it broke, you could hear it happen from my place, and I lived 10 kilometres from there. Yeah. This is a similar event. See the size of the lake. It's huge. It's like a big stagnant, very saline lake that is fed from several creeks, Kunamaya Creek being one. I was walking up from the south last year. I came up across here and walked right across. And now it's 300 metres over there. Incredible. The power, the weight of water and the power it would have taken to do this. puts our shitty existence into perspective, doesn't it? Oh, look at the colour. I'd love a shot of this from the air. It would be all brown water coming out, the green cold current from the ocean coming in. I'm very fortunate to see this. I had a flat tire this morning and I got my hand pump out and pumped it up. Nothing was going to stop me coming down here this morning. The rain's held off long enough for me to get some good filming done, some good photographs. That's where I was before, up there. So when you see that film clip of the snow and the foam snow, that was where I was standing up there. So I've come down a couple of kilometres to look at the lake. It was only when I was standing up there that I could see that the bar had broken. So I raced down here for a good look, take some photos, share it with whoever wants to see it. See something marvellous, something rare. You can see the drop off here. Beautiful. Oh, isn't she? Hope you enjoyed that. Probably never see it again in my lifetime. See ya.